Here's my project on my Kyosho Blizzard 2.0. I added the Star Wars figure. Looks cool. And here's the clear body that I got. And I install a 2 beacon lights. And there's the body, and there's the chassis, which I also installed an aluminum arm, which is hooked up to my Kyosho Blizzard, and I'm using the Fly Sky FSI-10 transmitter. And here's the yellow beacon that I'm going to replace the original Kyosho body. He looks awesome. I'm going to paint this military green with the clear windows and a clear sunroof. It will be on my next project after I get the bottom body parts of this clear Kyosho body. Hope you like my project. Slowly I will put all the lights in front. And there you go. Hope you like it. Subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.